Hello guys, this is Crazy Cubers. My name is Aditya and guys, now I am solving 3x3 Rubik's Cube by one hand only. It is the biggest challenge for me. Guys, please like this video, share this video and comment this video and also subscribe. So guys, now I am scrambling in this cube. So let's get started. So guys, now I am scrambling this cube. I'm closing my eyes. Guys, I think it is scrambled now. It is scrambled now. I'm watching its positions. Alright guys, let's get started. It's too hard to solve by one hand. It is very hard to solve by one hand, but I will do it. Guys, please like this video. It will be motivation for me, preparation and many things. Guys, it is about to solve. Alright guys, it is solved in 3 minutes and 18 seconds. I know that I took much time, but I am solving with one hand. It is starting and I will increase my speed. So guys, I will post next video. So guys, one more thing to tell you that as you all know, New Year is coming, so I will make a special video of New Year. It will be a surprise for you. I will write something on these cubes. And please watch that video. Please watch that video and also subscribe our channel. Promise me that you will subscribe my channel. So guys, these are the all cubes on which I will write. Guys, Please subscribe my channel and I will post next week. So guys, please guess what I will make. What is the special for New Year? And comment me on in the comment section, please. So guys, bye bye.